Hi, I made a tag for a friend from some scraps I had on my desk after a project or 2 or 3 or 17, and then I decided I would like to share how I did it with you, because sometimes it's good to remember that a project doesn't need to be really elaborate or magnificent to be fun and pretty. So this doesn't have many steps or many ingredients, but you will see soon how easy it is. Okay, first I will use distress ink in my favorite shade of walnut stain, and I am going to color the edges of my tag. You can use any kind of papers and shades and so on. Okay, here we go. That was that. And then I will take a bit of lace. I have actually tested some botanical dyeing for it, and it worked just fine. I have a bad habit of kind of distressing my laces too, so I make them look worn out and used and really loved, like this. And I love to use tacky glue for attaching my laces, because that's the one glue that holds on fast even to the laces. Then I have tested some plants for dyeing with a bit of thicker cheesecloth than usual, and now I'm adding this to the middle, like this. A bit of pressing and ripping, and it's fine. And then this is an old piece of fabric from curtains I found from flea market, and I love the shade. Actually, it isn't this soft shade of grayish blue, but it was really how would I put it, bright blue, but I dyed it too with some shades and thyme and so on. Okay, I put it right there. It isn't really hard, isn't it? Then I put a bit of lace and just a bit of cardboard, like this. And here you can use both glue, or then, like me, just staple them together. And now I try to imitate this one. It will do. Okay, I could also use glue, but to make it really stick, I use my staple. Okay, then my paper flowers are going in like this, and we are actually in a point where I could say it's finished. It wasn't hard, was it? Okay, but now I will add some extra fine touches with Finnabair Heavy Gesso and liquid acrylic paint. This is, oh, it's the wrong shade. Sorry, it should be umber. Yes, this one. So now I'm going to take my gesso. It's this one, but you can use any kind of gesso you like, obviously. But this is my favorite. It works just the way I want it to work, and not the other way around. I add a bit of dryish gesso here and there to make it look softer. Okay. Like this. The gesso part is over. Not that much, wasn't it? And now, if I had been really clever, I would have taken some kind of a scrap to put my liquid acrylic in it. And I will just gently and with a lot of water add a bit of shadow to my deck. This is not an essential part of this work, but I love it. As you see, it kind of make it look more dimensional with just the tiniest bit of more paint. And then I have added some more paint here and there to the bottom or base, you know, on the tag itself. And if I'm really courageous, I will add some on the, you know, fabrics too. Okay, I think it's finished. And now, unlike this one, I think I will show you, if I just do like this, I will have a lot of, you know, sparkling elements in there too. Bit of splatters. And it will look really nice and soft. Okay, I should have taken my baby wipes here, but sorry, it's a mess. You maybe remember to take something you can tidy up immediately, but it was just, it took about, you know, 6 minutes or something. And you can use any kind of papers and laces and fabrics and flowers you like. Just test and have a go. And I thank you for watching, and I'm wishing you inspiring tack making, I hope. Bye bye.